somebody help me. Anyway guys, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most definitely welcome, and if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. Thank you. So with that being said, shout out to my old and new subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys every now and then, for real, big time, one love. So today guys, I'm coming up to you with this kind of beautiful, kind of, you know, very chocolate eye makeup look with kind of, you know, dewy and healthy glowing face. Yeah guys, I'm super loving this look. As you can tell, you know, I always try to like my look before I can put it out there. If I don't like my look, I will not come here and show you or just do it. There is no need. So yeah, and on this makeup tutorial, on this whatever, okay, achieve this makeup look, entire face, majority of the products I use are from Catrice Cosmetic. By now you guys must have told that when it comes to Catrice, oh gosh, my obsession is, it's so large, like you can't even, like, seriously, especially when it comes to drugstore products. I believe, for my opinion, because I've used the product for quite some years now, okay, I do mismatch with other product, but when it comes to drugstore, let's be real, hands down, Catrice is one of the best on the market out there. Like, if you don't want to spend too much money on product, on makeup, Catrice is one of the best. I can recommend it to any beauty artist upcoming, okay. If you are just a beginner starting makeup into, you want to build up your kits, like, trust me sis, you need to go to Catrice and shop, and their product is super amazing, beautiful. So with that being said, all the products I use, I'm going to leave them down below. The most exciting about this makeup look, guys, I'm loving the eyebrow. My eyebrow today is just playing along. Mama, she's just telling me, Mama, I'm here with you. I'm not going to mess you up. You know what I mean? On my eyebrow, you're going to see it on this video. I don't want to rumble in too much. If you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this look, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. And if you watch the video to the end, you already know what to do. Just give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts, okay? And I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care of each other and enjoy. And prime my face with the blurrer. Catrice BLUR Smoothing Face Primer, this one right here. I'm going to be, basically, I'm just applying only this primer. Oh! And I'm going to be using a little bit of Dewy foundation. So I'm going to be taking my Airspun loose powder. I haven't used this powder for a minute. So yeah, and I'm going to be taking my Sephora brush. Guys, I use this brush I think twice or once, and then this is what happened after cleaning the brush. Unfortunate, like, seriously, no, my Sephora have a good brushes, but I don't know why, so I decided to use it today. I'm just going to dab the powder all over my face very gently. How we roll, you know how I roll on this when it comes to makeup game, right? My foundation, my holy grail, my favorite, my ride or die, call it any name you want, you can't do without, and that is this product right here, the Milani concealer foundation. And I'm going to be mixing it with the Naked Skin weightless foundation in number 10. It's a very light foundation, so yeah, one pump. You see how light is it? Two, three. And I'm going to be applying 1, 2, 3. In my foundation, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. brush. Let's start from my forehead. When it comes to my forehead, guys, I don't really apply that much foundation. I love when I'm doing my makeup, I'm so relaxed. I hate when I'm doing my makeup, I'm not relaxed. My blood is just like 180 degree, like. Don't use this powder. Trust me, at the first moment I bought it, I come home and broke. So it got broke. So as you can see, I just had to be careful. Is it not how you call it? Careful. If I'm not careful, I will have the mess all over. Highlights, I'm going to be using my all nighter waterproof concealer full coverage in the shade Natural. So guys, with this product, I'm going to go straight ahead and blend one side, because this product right here super fast get dry, super fast. And I'm going to be using another beauty blender today, Catrice sponge. It's super stiff but is wet. For the beauty blender, I'm loving it. Just I had to put more pressure to press it because it's very dense. And in contour, I'm going to be using the Match Master stick concealer in the shade number 8. I don't know if it's going to do a great job. It's okay, we didn't apply. I just had to press and press. Not at all, but for my highlight, cute. In my highlight, I'm going to be taking the Airspun loose powder, but I'm going to be using my returning sponge to do that. To set my contour, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Definition Powder Foundation. Taking this brush right here, and then I'm going to dust the excess away because this product is super duper. Around your face, because the more you drag product, the more you are wicking the muscles on your face. We got the bar rolling as always. We got the bar rolling. I'm going to go ahead once again, just kind of bring the darkness a little bit. Dude, this is how we get to snatch. Nosy. Are you nosy? Don't be nosy. Nosy is not good, okay? Another brow, a new brow product. This one is by Catrice and is waterproof, and the shade of this one is chocolate. So yeah, I'm not really into brow when it comes to eyebrow products. I'm not used to it because they are just too soft for my liking. I like the fact it also has a spoolie. Bend it so I can brush my brow in place. Honey, wish me luck. Guys, I actually like this product right here. It's not creamy, it's not too dry. As you can see, it's really coming out, popping out well. One stroke, as you can see, I was done. What do you guys think? Very good product, super good, and it's strong. Okay, it's strong. Like I said, it's not soft. Somebody help me. Anyway guys, the all-nighter. I'm just going to take my concealer brush and go ahead and clean under my brow. Take my Sephora blending brush. I'm just going to blend out the ash line, the concealer. To prime my eye, I'm going to be taking this eye foundation primer, and it's also by Catrice. Actually, this primer has no coverage, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my MAC Stick Concealer. This one is in Studio Fix Perfecting Stick Concealer in the shade NC45. Just a little bit on my lid, because we are not going to apply concealer there again. Take a little bit of powder, just set it very gently. So guys, to achieve this look, I'm going to be taking the Catrice the Spicy Rust eyeshadow palette. It looks like very beautiful. Do you know what attracts me to this palette? This shade right here, kind of very beautiful. I'm not going to be saying this is burgundy. This is kind of dark peachy. That's with this shade right here, this darker shade, this one right here. Yes, I'm going to be starting with this shade. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on my crease and blend it. I'm not going to be using any other palette apart from this one, right? I just want to try one palette today without mixing match, you know. So yeah, and so far so good for everyday look, everyday to go to the office. I think it's a perfect palette right here. And I'm taking this shade, this one right here. So you see what I mean, guys? I want the color to pop out more. And it has a very little tiny bit of shimmer onto it, but not that much. You can easily tell that it has, okay, you can tell. Very rich color. To wet it, so it's not going to come out properly. So I'm just going to use a smaller brush, taking the shade just without nothing. Guys, you see the color? Oh my days, it's beautiful. You see the combination? This is cute, guys. This is super cute. Cosmetic, I'm taking this color, the two shade I apply on my crease. I'm just going to blow that on my bottom lashes. So guys, I'm done with my eye look. I'm going to go ahead and do my wing liner and apply my lashes. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Hey Mercy, it's Portland. Hey, they miss you. She never wants to stay, never again. She's a big girl. Jackie is a big girl. Du magst du weglaufen. Heute habe ich dich erwischt. Ha 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 ha. Give me your Mausi. Jackie. Say hello to the people. Hello to the people. Oh, 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 oh. Nein, das tut du nicht, ha? She's my bestie, my bestie. Okay? She wanna go. I had to open the door. For blush, I'm going to be taking this Catrice Romantic Gardens palette. I'm going to be taking blush, this one right here. I'm taking this one right here, and I'm just going to dust it off away. And the one I'm taking is called Luminous Blush. Luminous Blush. This one right here. Very beautiful blush. So yeah. What do you guys think? Is it good? Is it cute? This one right here. To spray my face very tiny bit Catrice Lashes to Kill mascara. I'm just going to apply that on my bottom lashes. I did up lashes of camera. So to line my lips, I'm going to be taking this Flormar lip liner. I'm going to leave the color down below, okay? So for my lip, I'm going to be taking this Catrice matte lover lipstick pen, okay? And the shade of this one is where is the shade? Where is the shade? The shade of this one is mauve. Catrice lip glaze. So yeah, that's juicy. I am okay. So guys, that's pretty much it for this whole entire makeup look.